Hello, welcome to Best Practices for Immersive Learning. Immersive learning through virtual reality can be applied to the kindergarten through 12th grade academic setting for levels of standard through advanced placement. In the lesson that I have created, it is geared toward a freshman language and literature honors class. There are many usages for augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. But in literature, for example, in To Kill a Mockingbird, we can explore 1930s Alabama. We can explore time periods, movements, and settings that are not available to us daily. Also, another example within honors literature would be the Odyssey, which is about 1200 BC Greece, and The Book Thief, which is 1940s in Germany. Education has seen a surge of technology usage, which is geared towards the immersive learning experience. This includes augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. According to the Franklin Institute, augmented reality enables a viewer to picture the world through the use of technology, such as their cell phone. Virtual reality plays to our senses and transports us to another world with the use of a specific device. And mixed reality is a combination of augmented reality and virtual reality. There are many benefits of including immersive education into the classroom. First and foremost is safety. Students are able to explore time periods or settings that may be too dangerous to explore in the natural world. Second is cost. Using simulations is much cheaper than actually creating full mock-ups, scenarios, training, or field trips. Third, we have user engagement. An immersive experience can be paused or stopped at any moment. Also, it can be repeated as many times as the user needs. Lastly, there is problem solving. Immersive learning can be done to test a practical solution for a problem that can't be tried out in the real world. Using the idea of immersive learning within an English classroom, I have created a lesson that involves exploring the historical context of William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Through this lesson, there are two learning objectives that the students will receive. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to retain historical elements that influence the text, and by the end of the lesson, students will be able to compare Italy in the 1500s compared to Italy today. The type of immersive experience that I plan to incorporate with this lesson is an augmented reality where students can see on their screens real life scenarios in today's times. The technology that I will be using is Google Maps to create this augmented reality. The design of the activity is that students will find a real life counterparts to events, locations, and settings that happened in Romeo and Juliet in modern day Italy. They will do this through the use of Google Map, and they will place their timeline of events and locations on a Padlet. The benefits of including immersive learning through augmented reality in this lesson will create an interesting and engaging learning activity that will allow students to explore and interact with Shakespeare in a new and modern way. It will provide a 75% increase in the student retention as compared to just traditional paper and pen means, as well as create a real world connection to the text. For example, this is a picture of Mantua, Italy that is featured in Romeo and Juliet.